be closer?
Right there in the middle, and you're just gonna, I'm gonna raise it, and you'll just roll that beam on the ground, just roll it underneath the tire.
Okay, I'll try.
Hold on.
Right there?
Yeah. Drag the back end around. You'll have to get it lined up. Come down, come on this end. And drag it over a little bit.
This way?
Yeah. Okay. Now come back around on the other side.
And what?
That way? Yeah, now line it up.
This way?
Yep.
Right there?
Is it straight? Does it look straight?
Yeah, well, yeah. Oh. Right there. Is that right? Is that how you want it? It's right in the middle.
The back needs to drag over. It's sitting on the bead. Like about an inch. Okay.
More?
Is it going up inside of the rim on both sides? Like a train?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the front. What's the front doing? You can step over. You can step over. Is it the edge sitting on it?
This edge is kind of sitting on it.
Okay, now go out. Go to your left.
That
Go
way?
all the way. No. Yeah, at the end of the board and pull the board over.
This way?
Yes.
Right there?
Let's take a look at that. That looks pretty good. I like that.
It's a little
All right, let's reset.
kind of crooked. The board. Lopsided.
I'm gonna come around. Put that back up.
Oh.
Okay. You can grab that block if you want.
That's what I was going to do. I have to. This one's a little further away than that one. That side is sunk in. There. Oh, there's ants all over. Right there.
Yep.
What about over there? Is there ants on this side?
No.
Okay. You need to kill those because they're going to eat your wood up.
Centered.
Try it. A little more. Alright, try now.
No.
No. That way I told you.
Away from us. Away. Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
That
No,
side?
you'll have to pull the front around.
That way.
Yeah.
Is that good? Looks good to me.
Except I kind of want to flip it over, all the way over.
What over?
Flip the 2x6, 4x6 all the way over. But the side that's up, put that side down.
Oh my God, really? That's heavy.
I know. There you go, perfect. That was perfect. That looks like it. Good job. Thanks.
This thing actually really works pretty well. I should have got another one of these for driveway.